Hello, a quick demonstration. So I'll make an expression using pressure through this data. So so it starts off with if, and you say enter to push pressure into there. If pressure is greater than, let's say 995, hit enter, puts the value there. We close the brackets, so we've got two open brackets, two closed brackets. Then we say next step. We then say we want to mark events, evaluate the expression. So this is the step that's needed. So I'm now going to say evaluate the expression over this data here. We say set, so that puts the start and stop points. Then we can say go. Okay. So at this point, obviously the pressure was less than that value and was greater than there. I can store this expression if you want. So if I get rid of, that and get rid of that. So my first expression, I'll store that so I can reuse it later. I'll create another expression. I'll say if pressure is less than this value, close bracket, next step, then mark events, evaluate. We don't have to have these values here immediately, but now it's evaluated, I can store it, and I'll call that my second expression. Okay, I'll store that. So we've got two expressions. That's what the use button is for. The use button is to use to recall stored expressions. So you can use them immediately by setting a range, by putting your white lines here and here, and clicking set, and then say go. Or you can recall an expression. So if I recall the first expression, if say use, then we get the 995 greater than here. If I recall the second one, so by clicking use, we get the less than 995. So I can change this value now if you like, because it just says mark events, but it's not a value isn't stored with that. So I can put 2 in there. So if I've recalled the expression, it's in there, value 2. I can say between these lines here, and I say set, and I say go. Okay, so those are the values where it's less than 995. If I put a value of 3 in there, I think that'll be blue. But I can recall the first expression, say use. It's now greater than 995. I can put that, yeah, that's at 3. We use the same range. So I can say go. Okay, I hope that clears things up. So the use button is to use expressions that you've stored, but the fact that you've got an error where it's crashing when you click that, I think it may be because there's no expression stored in here and it's trying to record an expression that doesn't exist. So I'll have a look at the code and try and fix that for you. Okay, if you get any more problems, let me know. But also, can you let me know if this has helped you? Thank you.